Rolling to the line first, the #1, your defending national champion out of Morgantown, Pennsylvania, aboard the Rockstar Energy Factory Racing Husqvarna, Craig DeLong. Rolling to the line next, the 514 out of Hodges, South Carolina, aboard the Rocky Mountain Red Bear Kawasaki, Stu Baylor.
start to finish, I felt great. It was a good day.
You, obviously, I'm not going to say you came in under the radar, but just based on last year with the injury coming into the year, you did get the win at Hoosier. I don't know if that's just worked out to be consistent throughout the year, obviously, but you're coming out swinging in round one.
Yeah, no, I felt good. I was hopping around, felt strong the whole race, and yeah, it was pretty textbook from start to finish.
Yeah, it was. I didn't make it easy on myself with that start, but practiced a few starts behind the rig, and man, the bike was firing up so quick. So I got a little premature with the throttle, thinking I was going to rip a whole shot, and didn't quite go as planned. So flamed her out, got back going, made some quick passes to get to the front, and just lost a couple of positions there in the pit, and it was like starting back over, trying to get those passes back made, and able to get some clear track there at the end, but like I say, it was just too little too late.
So now, I mean, obviously we had the first Enduro, but now that we're at the first GNCC, what's our early analysis with the bike? You switched up programs this year, you're on a completely new machine. How do we feel about the Cali?
Man, I'm feeling good. Like everything's working as it should, and I'm comfortable, I'm confident, and sounds like we got to head to the podium.
Good ride today.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Seems like the Grizzlies back. Got the flow back going, you know. Yeah, I got a horrible start. Just got a little nervous up there and chopped the throttle a little too soon. Bike didn't fire, and dead last off the start. And man, I had to work for it today. Rode a little tight in the beginning, had some arm pump for the first lap or two, but after that, I started to find my groove, and man, the track was awesome today. I just felt like I couldn't make a mistake. Felt like I was on all the right lines, and you know, just working with the track. So it was one of those days where it was just coming to me. Just a bummer I couldn't get a better start. I think at one point I was about 2 minutes down from the lead, and here at the end I was right at 30 seconds down from the lead. So yeah, I mean, put in a hell of a charge, but came up a little bit short for the top spot. But to start out on the podium, that's an awesome start to the year for me. I'm not usually the strongest starter to the season, so usually it takes me a couple rounds to get going. But yeah, to start out up here on the box, that's awesome.
Yeah, from start to finish, pretty much.
Take us through the race. You got out front early, and then later, about 2 laps into the race, Liam got to you, and then it was the one-on-one show the rest of the day.
Yeah, Chris gave. It was when I was in with the XA1 guys, and I wanted to pass, but I just couldn't. And I think I sort of allowed the other boys to catch up, but Chris gave me the pit board. Liam's coming, and before I know it, he's right behind me. I was like, oh, it's going to be a long 3 hours, but it was good. We sort of, from pit stop onwards, we just kept swapping leads, and I made the pass stick with about 2 miles to go.
So what's the? It looks like you've got a different mentality, or a different approach coming into this year compared to last year. Last year the consistency wasn't really there as much, but it looks like you're a completely different rider this year, and it looks like you're going to be on the box every weekend.
Yeah, when you lose a championship, it hits different. Yeah.
Good ride today.
Yeah, cheers, thank you.
Yeah, considering I sat on the start line until I got around turn 1 or 2. But yeah, it was good. Battled with Gus again. I figured that was what was gonna happen.
After you finally got going, though, take us through the rest of the race. You worked your way through everybody, and then it was you, like you said, it was you and Gus the whole day. How was the race as a whole once you guys got to battling?
Yeah, it was good. We just kind of keyed off each other, but the lap Israeli were brutal out there. We both lost the lead both times to each other due to lappers. Gus lost it, and I got by him, and then I just got screwed back there with a lapper, and Gus got by me. But yeah, I'm pumped. It was a good day. I've never done better than 6th here, so pretty stoked.